Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming, and today we are going to make a Python program to remove digits from a string. Okay, so first I will take a string str1 equal to input, enter a string here. Okay, and now I will take a for loop for I in str1. Okay, I am taking this for loop to check every element of a string, is it a digit or not. Okay, so for checking a digit what we use is digit parenthesis. Okay, so I will write here if I dot is digit is equal to what, uh, is digit gives us true or false. If this is false means I is not a digit. Okay, I will write here if this is false. Okay, so we will take another string which will be empty string. Okay, so inside this if condition we will write if I is not a digit, then we will do what, string 2 equal to string 2 plus I. Okay, you can write here also that if not I dot is digit, this is also correct. Okay, outside this for loop we will just print string 2. So let's run the code. Take a string GOOD 1 2 3 4, enter. So GOOD and this is space. Okay, and if you do this is equal to what, false, false, then the same output will become 1 2 3 4, enter. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.